I've had this as my intro music for so long. Okay, well, that's streaming. You know how much my voice is just gonna be shot by like the end of today?
I have a rough estimate.
Because we've already been talking for a little while. We talked yesterday. Now I'm gonna be streaming this, and then around 5 or 6 o'clock, I'll be doing normal Minecraft stuff.
Man, I have every faith in you.
Hey, I did a 9-hour stream a long time ago. I'm not nearly as practiced as I was back then, but I did it. Okay, I'm gonna close Firefox. Hey, there's the ding on my phone. Oh yeah, I guess you would retweet something you're in. Yeah, I should close Firefox because Minecraft is going to be using a decent amount of RAM today, so it's for the best. Okay. Oh, that's a good way to get back on camera. Minecraft, yeah. How do I start a stream? I mean,
this is going to be so weird for me because I can see your picture on the screen, but your voice is just not going to match it.
Yeah, that's true. I guess that is kind of weird. I mean, I could probably do video chat with Discord, but I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it. Yeah. That would be one more thing to actively be looking at while I'm doing other things.
This is true. Yes. I think the worst part about doing intros is it's neither a YouTube video nor is it an active live stream. Because with a YouTube video, you just say stuff to nobody. But for a stream, when nobody's here yet, you're saying stuff to sort of nobody.
Which could randomly become anybody.
Yeah, exactly, in the middle of the sentence. So it's like, there's both a sense of why bother, but also a sense of people might be watching this on YouTube, so maybe I should. But no, yeah, getting into it. Whoa. Oh, that was immediately weird. I entered the map and it teleported me. And now there's silverfish and blocks okay. This was supposed to be nice and clean when I opened it up. Clean! So for anybody watching this eventually, maybe one day, somewhat, because there's nobody here watching it right now, this is an old map of mine that I want to fix because, let's see, in like the snapshots of Minecraft 1.8, and that's not beta 1.8, that's full version 1.8, I had built this map, and it relied on a form of randomization using dispensers dispensing command blocks as blocks. And then Minecraft 1.8.6, just 6 subversions later, they removed the feature immediately. They did so because they could not figure out a good way to solve a security issue it brought. Now, I'm currently playing the game in 1.8.4, a version that still hasn't worked, because I just want to show what exactly I'm trying to fix before I fix it. And this should give a good idea of why it's so cool, and why I want it to still be cool forever. It's super cool, and I love it, and I want to fix it. It's awesome to watch, and most of my videos of this on my YouTube channel were before I got my new computer, so they're all laggy and horrible compared to what it actually is for most people. And yeah, I mean, there it is. Usually this has a roof on it. The uncloned roof is over here. I mean, underneath it's just like a couple of redstone torches, so it's not really much. But it's a roof, so the zombies don't immediately burn. I may attempt to clone the roof back on before I update it. But then again, I need to be able to see if it's working, so...
I'm wondering to myself just how different this is going to look by the time you're done than it does now.
Generally,
I don't just mean that in terms of randomly generated rooms.
I think the rooms and stuff will probably, for the most part, stay the same. But the code itself will get really weird. I just love watching it. I'm just gonna watch this happen a couple times. I mostly also want to, like, record it a couple times. Let's find a doorway. I think currently with the way I'm spawning it, it won't spawn doors, but I could be wrong. Oh gosh, I just realized the first room for this floor is one of the stupid maze rooms. I'm not sure if I'll actually keep these mazes. I just immediately killed that spider by touching it. Actually, let me hit the reset button instead, because this will generate a proper floor. There's a hole in the wall here. That's cool, though. That's so cool. I love it. I love it so much. You can actually see a bunch of the values on the side, such as what floor we're on, the generator's timer, and all that. Though I think, I know it works. It works fine. See, this is a proper... Again! First thing's immediately a maze. Oi. Loot still works. I'm actually really happy that the loot chests still work. Let's find a doorway. Doorway. Doors, please. Don't break again. Hopefully. Ah, there it is. Doot. I think the first thing I'm immediately going to fix, actually, is this glowing floor. Don't know why, but those are made of stairs. There we go. Fixed. I need to get the doorway before it teleports me. Oh no! There it is. Oh gosh, you can hear everything banging around down there. There we go. I also have to fix the fact that the slimes don't despawn, right? I should do that as another immediate fix. Sorry, I'm just looking at it at this point. Interestingly enough, just due to the, like, statistic chance of those being the last ones, usually the last, like, the back corners ends up being where the exit doors spawn.
That makes sense.
Oh, boss floor. Actually, I should see if I can get a boss to spawn to show those working on stream, too. Hey, it spawned! Rotten Bones. Game mode 1? No, game mode 2. Right? How do you work? The AIs are all broken, and I don't know why in this version of the game.
Nobody is online in there just yet, but have you posted a link to this in your Discord chat for it?
Oh, thanks for reminding me. One second. Let me fight this boss. I forgot to post it there. Yeah, I don't know why the AI stops. I mean, Thomas is here. Hey, Thomas.
Walked in while I was talking.
Could you do me a solid and link it in the chat and the Discord for me? Unless you can't. I don't know if you're on your phone. I might have to... Actually, do you have that Discord chat? Gold?
Yes, I do.
You could post it for me then.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an okay boss fight. Gives you a sword.
Do I just post the link? Do I actually need to say anything?
Yeah, I guess you could say he wanted you to post it for him or whatever. So I just realized I'm wearing my dirty, like, pajama shirt that says numero uno on it. I should have probably changed my clothes, but this was a rush job. I just rushed into having a stream. Yeah, I just don't want to open Firefox up again. But Discord's open, so that's... where was I? But, yeah. I guess now that Thomas is here, I'll do a generation from the sky. Actually, game mode 1 again. Yeah, let me delete everything and do this fresh. I love looking at it fresh.
Yeah, it does look super cool.
Okay, so I think I'll do, well, no, I think this button's fine. Oh, it's always the maze. Super cool. I like the fact that eventually we're going to make a game that is way cooler than this. But yeah. I think for now I'm satisfied fixing this map first.
Sure. It could always be a good blueprint for what we're doing. As long as you can translate it for me. But no, it's a lot of fun for me to see just how much this looks similar to the other version we were working on.
Yeah, I could probably find some I could probably find some of the old footage of the actually maybe I should look 1 second. Dungeon of Insanity, Unsorted Files, Concept Art. Do I just have images or do I have any videos? I might have to do some digging to find the videos. Do I have any good screenshots? Oh, there's an old mock-up. Because we did, at one point, work quite a bit on making... What did I do with the... 1 second. I did have...
Well, maybe that's happening tomorrow.
Okay, maybe that's... Just give me a second to find this. Where would that...
I imagine that when you do find it, I will be mildly embarrassed, but I can put up with that.
Pretty much. Give me a moment. It's probably an unsorted chaos, isn't it? Oh gosh, that's a lot of files.
Do you really have a folder called Unsorted Chaos?
Yeah, I'm working my way through it.
Somehow it doesn't surprise me. I mean, I still have folders on my computer labeled old Windows files.
See, the worst part is, it's called Unsorted Chaos, and inside it is a folder called Sort Desktop, which inside that is another, layer of, other unsorted files. This is, when I'm finally digging through it.
I understand. I don't want to, but I understand.
I'll be right back. Yeah, just, here, let me intermission this real quick. And I'm back. Sorry about that. Get back to the game folder or file so everybody's not bored out of their mind looking at nothing. But the stream wants to see your bare knees, Crab. What? Where my shorts on camera for a moment. Yeah, I'm in a pajama mess today. Okay, let me really see if I can find these old. Where would I have saved them though? Like, I'm trying to remember. I mean, unsorted golden crab videos would kind of be where they would have ended up, I think.
I have a feeling.
Give me a moment.
You're, at some point going to give up, decide to make some new ones, and when you go to save those, you'll realize, oh, that's where they were.
Well, I've completely changed the folder setup of my videos, so it would save somewhere else. So you don't sleep on the floor, myth busted? Oh gosh. My bed's been in like the last few streams. If you remember, I didn't like how the camera was inverted, so I put it on the other side of me so the angle is the same. Just talking to the chat. Well, there's this video, I guess. Can I drag this in here? This weird rotatey version of, like, this is like the final sort of clip we ever made from that one. So that was a thing. I think that uploaded right, but I'm trying to find.
We got farther than I remember.
That spinning one, I actually changed it to 3D models, funny enough.
Yeah, I knew that we had discussed that a little bit. I didn't remember that we actually did it.
I'd like put it together real fast and just like, I just wanted to see if it would have been a better thing. Oh, where did I put the files? I know I recorded video of this. Right? I mean, all I've got is the concept art images that I can find. I don't know where I put the rest of this stuff. I mean, I guess here's a progress shot from it. That was a thing. We hardly got anywhere with this project, sadly. And that was another progress shot. Is this a example or a... Oh, whoa, why is that not loading into there? What did I do? Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's just a really big image. Yeah, that was just an example idea. But where are the generated maps is what I'm trying to find.
Oh yeah, we had some good stuff for that.
Yeah, that's yeah. Tiles in, oh gosh. Work in progress backups maybe? 20 assets, resources, sprites. Excuse me. Floor images? No. Sorry about ruining the stream.
Yeah, we're just getting started.
Okay. Placeholders? No. Oh, wait. Saved room files? There's a couple here. Yeah, okay. This is horrible compared to the other examples I have, but it is a thing.
Yeah, this is what I remember us making successfully.
Yeah, it's very similar concept to what I made in Minecraft, but with a lot more variance and larger rooms. Some just random maps. But I wish I could find the videos of this. But where would I have put them? I know I have one video somewhere. Oh, I found one. I believe this is a super early one. Oh gosh. Oh geez, this is like the earliest one. Okay. That's old. This was just when it was one dot generating to another. Let me see if I can find something newer than that.
Yeah, I mean, I'm starting to remember how I had it branching off between the start point and the end point in the very silly-ish method that I used for that.
Okay, I can't. I'm giving up. I'm getting back to what I was... I'm getting back to what I was actually doing here. I'm sorry. I just wanted to see it. I just wanted to show that I'm better than this. No, what? I mean, I've got a programmer who's better than me. Of course, funny enough, that whole concept is just going to get completely revamped, funny enough. So it's definitely not going to be in this form when we eventually make it into an actual game. But, yeah. I just want to generate a few more of these. Doot. I mostly want to see if I can get it to generate a 2-room floor.
What are the odds of that happening, roughly speaking?
Well, the first one it needs to generate is, I guess, what is it, a 1 in 8 chance that it'll do like a, well, okay, no, I think it's like a 1 in 4 chance that it will generate one that like moves to the right. And then from there, that's a further 1 in 8 chance. So 1 in 4th chance with a 1 in 8 chance after it. Yeah, it's like, it's pretty small. Water pours out. It's pretty cool. I turn around, most of the dungeon over here is just generated while I wasn't looking. Okay, just a couple more of these. Of course, doing it this way, I don't have to deal with enemies spawning, which is nice. Though, if I do want to ruin everything, I can press this button, but I'll show you that later. Ah, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why, but when I get on camera, my nose gets itchy. Maybe it's
your camera's just dusty.
I think it's just that sort of social aspect that people are watching me. I don't know. It's like a reaction.
Folk legend of sneezing when someone is talking about you.
Funny enough, I think there is a slight merit to the idea of your nose getting itchy. I think there's a weirdness that, like, a weird social cue, which I don't even know if it's just people making assumptions or what, is like, it's hard not to, like, itch your nose when you like someone. I don't know, it's weird. Maybe it's just something about getting, like, flustered.
Great, now I'm gonna be watching myself for that.
Nah, I don't really know if it's at all accurate. Also, I like how, Thomas is apparently not really watching, but listening while shopping. That's an interesting thing that I didn't really know you could do. I guess mobile data. Unless you're online shopping. That would make more sense. The heck? Dude. Well, that's a cool combination. The biggest flaw of this dungeon generator was that it couldn't generate larger rooms. Deep down, I actually think I could figure out how to do that. But I think I would rather put my effort into doing that with a real game. Oh, online shopping for headphones. Man, I rough up my headphones so much. I'm surprised they last as long as they do. If these ones break, I'm going to install them into a large set of, like, pilot headphones or whatever. Like, or, no, not pilot type, but, like, I think, like, the 70s or 80s type. The really big ones. I used to have a set that I installed into one of those. But then, like, the headphones itself broke. But I want to do it again. Because we still have them somewhere, I think. That would add to the stream aesthetic so much. A crown on giant headphones. One day I want to upgrade my crown, too. Maybe to a real one?
I don't know if I can help you with that.
Okay, a plastic one. Hey, wait. I got it! I got a two-room floor. That's hilarious. Oh gosh.
So when that happens, what happens next?
You go through the 2 rooms and you leave. It's to an extent a really cheap floor. Though there is
many things outside.
There is still that chance I was talking about where if you're somehow on a floor with like levers and stuff and you get one of those lever doors, you can escape into just the rest of the map kind of deal. But that's not lucky here. Yeah, it's a floor where I think the player can reach 2, 3. Yeah, they would have gotten 4 chests, and then they would have just left. Now, of course, how many enemies would have spawned? Let's try that. Oh no, I spawned the wrong thing!
Uh-oh.
I just doubled the amount of chests and garbage on the floor. I think that one spawns enemies? Oh. Oh, I think I surpassed the number of floors that enemies will spawn on or something. Okay, so enemies aren't spawning right now. I just got 1 billion chests.
That is many.
Reset all this. Oh yeah, for you can tell, for anybody who does Minecraft map making, you can tell how old this thing is by the fact that it completely lacks all of the new command block functions. Let me generate this from the starting room. Oh, I forgot that there's like a shared live system, which means if you're playing with friends and they just die a bunch. I completely forgot I built this to be multiplayer compatible.
Yeah, I don't believe that ever came up in any of our discussions.
Oh, there's the enemy spawning. In the walls. Oops. Now, one thing I need to fix, I'm gonna have to figure out how. I don't know why, but silverfish can go into blocks. Even though I don't think they're supposed to be able to do that in this. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I thought I built them so they don't. So, okay, you know what? Okay. Clone.
Excuse me just a minute, I'll be back.
Oh, you know what? I was going to do this later. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to clear all of this. Clear all of this. I'm going to update this map to the current version of the game. And then I'm going to start attempting to fix the map. Because as cool as this is, it only works in this specific version of the game. And I need to... it's so disappointing that they broke it. Why did they break it? Oh, it's so cool. Okay. Okay. Save and quit the title. Quit game. And reopen the game in 1.12. It was nice to watch it, but... Okay, Minecraft 1.12. I hope this window size starts the same as it was earlier. Okay. Come on, Minecraft. Ah, there it goes. Ah, the window size is smaller! No! How could this happen to me? Ah, I'm using such a newer version now. Too bad everything is broken. Single player. Okay, let me size this up a bit. That big? A little wider. Doot, doot, doot. Okay, I gotta move. No, 1 second. I gotta move this over here so I can see what I'm doing. Doot, doot. Oh, wait, no. No, now it's too tall. Or not tall enough. Does that do it? I think I did it. Okay. Just trying to size this all up. Believe I was using this version. Yeah, okay. So, update the map and break everything. Is that the cat? Oh no, he wants out. Whoa, laggy. What the world? Okay, everything is borked. What the heck? What the? This is new. What the heck? Why is it full of barrier blocks? Oh, I didn't show off all the boss fights before I updated this. What is happening? Why didn't you get deleted? Did I open the right version? Why is it full of barrier blocks? I'm so confused. I wonder, is this broken? I guess they got deleted. I did open the right version, right? The air ID is now barrier. That's bizarre. I guess... Oh, that's weird. Again, I haven't done map making in 4 years now? Okay. And obviously, pressing this button, nothing happens because everything is broken. Well, let's delete everything. Oof, why is this so laggy? I guess... Oof.
I heard some very serious confusion going on while I was in the other room.
So I guess the ID for air updates to barriers or something. So that's a weird... Oh, gosh. I wonder if that broke anything on the other side. Oh, I don't know why this is all laggy now. It's not. I think it's just it's updating so many blocks. Okay, so...
Are the enemies hopping around?
That might be involved in my animation mod that I'm using.
Oh.
Just make sure everything updates properly by flying around a bit. Geez. This map is so old. This map is so old. I just want to make sure, yeah, all of my commands are still in here, so... It's always a little awkward updating. You can tell, like, even the syntax for this audio is just broken now. It's just kind of crazy just how old this map is. But... the thing that made me quit. I need to fix you. Why have you done this to me? I wish they could have found another solution. Oh, my buttons are different. What the heck?
Yeah, I mean, when you pointed out in one of our things that we have a case where something can get into an infinite spawn loop by accident, I haven't put in a fix for that yet, but my mind immediately went to some places where it's like, okay, so if I check this right here, I can probably just quickly look through and say, hey, warning, this could be infinite.
Second, I'm trying to, so many random buttons. I don't know why, but all my buttons got reset. Yeah, they just... The problem that happened here, and the thing that broke this whole map, though, dispensers that could place command blocks. It's really stupid that they let this kind of, like, be a problem, I guess. I don't know why it was the only solution was to remove the feature completely. I really don't understand why. I guess, can this not even spawn it anymore? Did they change the ID? I don't even know. Gosh, all that data in there. Man, sorry, I'm just, like, still so disappointed. 4 years ago, I gave up on this. I think it was 4 years ago. Was that when 1.8.6 came out? Yeah. This whole randomizer relied on it so much, and now I gotta figure out a new randomizer. Oh, I just realized. Something's gonna be getting really laggy down here. Yeah. That's like the most visual example of this whole problem. Why is this on? Shouldn't this be...
What is happening?
What? The dispensers?
Yeah.
So this is what I use to randomize the rooms.
Oh, I think I understand.
So these are a selection of command blocks. How do I explain this actually? Okay, this is really weird. I haven't touched this in years, so I myself am not entirely sure what I did. But this is a bunch of clone command blocks. Each one corresponding to a different room over here, and each one corresponding to it's all like relative coordinate based too. Excuse me. I believe the idea is this series of command blocks gets cloned into this row of command blocks. Then I believe this row of command blocks gets cloned into various parts of this giant randomizer array. And that's how it decides which room it actually uses. The whole reason for this whole randomizer over here is so that I can have more than, I think, how many rooms is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it was 12 rooms. Interesting.
Considering that these giant structures are basically like a processor or code routes or stuff like that, it's very funny to think that some of them involve spinning blocks that simply fall into eternity afterward.
Well, that's the thing that they ruined. Is these blocks would place the command block, and the command block would immediately fire its command. What they replaced is they changed it so it just spits out the item, because there was some stupid exploit where someone could hack in a dispenser with a command block in it, and then have that dispenser place the command block and run its command. So instead of finding ways to prevent normal people from doing that, they just removed the whole feature altogether. Because forget map makers, and forget the most condensed version of randomizers you could possibly have in this game. It's still, to this day, the most condensed randomizer this game has ever had. And even the replacements using armor stands will never be as good as this, which is why I've had to try to devise a new system. Now the problem is I have one of these randomizers in every single one of these things, and so I need to figure out a way. I have an idea. I'm going to be attempting that idea, but I need to just figure out how to get around it. I only need 8 numbers. I'm pretty sure at most I only ever use 8 numbers. Other than a hopper clock. Well, let me look that up real quick. I'm going to be doing a lot of looking up history. Why can't I restore previous session? Dang it, did I just lose all of my history again on my... How? Hopper clock randomizer. Oh, I don't think this would ever have been as good as what I need. No. Yeah, I don't think I could use this. I mean, it looks good, but that's different. Oh, wait, now I can restore my session. That's weird. Thank goodness. Yeah, sorry. I'm weird with tabs. So the whole thing is I need to be able to fire 8 different commands from an immediate block drop. So I need to find a good replacement for that. I'm going to be doing some brainstorming. That's what this whole stream is going to be, is me brainstorming a new idea. I have an idea, but we'll see if it'll work. And then we'll see if it'll actually fit here. What do these do? These place relative position redstone blocks. So the original idea was that a dispenser would place here and place a command block. And that command block would randomly place a torch. So for this one, that might work. That might work. I just need the right selection of test 4 commands, I think. Yeah, that might work. What does this do? I think this just fills in all the blocks. Yeah, okay. Let me work on starting to actually build the randomizer and see if it'll do what I need it to do. Zoop. Oh man, one of the other things I need to do for this map is make all of this old stuff efficient. Like, for example, you don't need these anymore. Like, isn't that all I need to do? Wait, what is this? Kill at E name? I have no idea. It's so much simpler. Now this is just floating here. Same for you. Oops. Alright, that's all I need. Ah, the olden days have been destroyed. Ah, I could clean up all of this so much. Oh, man. Yeah, that's appealing. Just having a single block instead of 4 or more. Yeah, I'm gonna end up doing a lot of work just replacing, like, this itself. Oh, this is ew. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we'll think on that. This map, jeez. So weird to see it again. The game has changed so much since I built this map. That's like a thing that's just gonna keep getting repeated. I guess this just goes.
You know, the fact that you can just, like, punch and destroy the command blocks would make me so very nervous, because I'd be so worried about losing whatever complex command was inside it.
Oh yeah, I've done that before. It's pretty bad. I think, actually, though, let me test this out really quick. If you hold a sword... Yeah, holding a sword is a safe way to do it, because you can't actually break them.
Okay.
That was a nice little change that they made a while back. You know what? I'm gonna hold 2 swords. Just out of paranoia. I think that's all of the loops that I had set up here. Okay. Okay, let me start working on this randomizer. Jeez, these are so weird. I'm trying to remember. Is this just... Okay, these are the enemy spawning ones. This should just be the random loot. Man, this disc is so huge by comparison. I need to BRB really quick yet again. Where is exploit? Oh yeah, I need to close Firefox again because processing power. If I had a better GPU and extra RAM, it wouldn't be a problem. Okay, so where to go from here? Okay, I need to start with the randomizer. I need to clear skies, and because it is an addiction of mine, I need quartz blocks and wool. Where's the wool? Dude, click clock woods. Hopper clock woods. Minecraft. Okay.
Zod.
Huh?
I'm just looking over one of my credit card statements, and there's something that I'm pretty sure I bought at some point that I don't see on here.
Oh.
Maybe I already got it, I don't know.
Okay. I need a notepad open. Cause, actually I wonder. Can I... Sources... Screen capture... Doot. Maybe I should open Notepad++ for this. That might be a little less annoying. Oh gosh, what in the world is open? An install directory? Okay, oh, that's Secret Mayor Chronicles stuff. Open. Yeah, I'll just... Okay, if I... Okay, perfect. So whenever I open this...
There it is.
Perfect. So I'll just leave that open as needed. Okay, so... Huh?
Okay, I found the thing that I was looking for. No wonder that I was having trouble. It was over a month ago.
So there's an armor stand. Armor stand.
Okay.
What's the full summon command real quick? Okay.
Now everything makes sense to me.
Stand. Want that one higher. Okay, cool. And custom name test stand, I guess, right? Execute at e name equals test stand. Say hi. Crud. What did I name it? Oh, it has a capital letter. Hey, okay, cool. Whoa, no! I'm falling! Doot, doot, doot. I hear my cat. Can you hear my cat? Or my brother's cat?
I do not hear your cat.
Okay, my brother's cat's meowing. I think he wants to go back outside, but it's raining! Type equals armor stand name. Huh. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna copy this over here. And copy the summon command. I could probably add more designating information at some point, but I think that's fine for now. I forgot I need to actually shrink that back down. Okay. Okay. Spread players. What's the syntax for that? Okay, so spread players. Tab. 0, 1.5. False, I guess. At E type equals armor stand. Keep forgetting to add the dash. Name equals test stand. Okay. So with that, and I put that on one of those, and now that's just teleporting over various stuff. So this is a stupid method, but it might work. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so to test this, let me grab that command, that execute command. Detect Minecraft wool 1 say hi. Done. Come on. Okay, what did I mess up? Maybe it's... Oh, that would do it. It's not a repeat. It's still not happening. Okay. So what did I mess up now? Okay, let's stop that real quick. What type of wool is that? Which number? Wool 2. Okay, so let's detect it on. Can I put this whole command in? Failed to execute. So what am I doing wrong here? Is there something wrong about wool 2? Or something about how I worded it? Okay, oh! -1. There it is. No? Huh. And this is wool 2, right? Yeah. And it is under it. Yeah. Let's see. What am I doing wrong? It's been so long since I've done any of this. Oh. Oh. Forgot the coordinates. Oh, you heard the cat that time? Whoops.
Maybe I'm just not paying attention because I still don't hear it.
Whoa, I'm falling.
Then again, I don't have headphones on or anything, so...
Oh. Wait, what do you mean you successfully spread it? Huh? Am I not seeing this? Why am I not seeing... What did I do? Huh? This is weird. Oh, okay. Something was just weird with the command block. So that works. Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, let's not fall. Okay. So, what's next? Wait, what's it called? Ah, brain! Oh no, I just messed with these earlier.
You gonna be okay there?
Scoreboard.
There you go.
Scoreboard, objectives, add RNG, I guess. Oh, 1 second. Oh, crud, I pressed tab, which means it's going to go through the whole list of options. I don't even know how to mess with the other scoreboard options. There's just too many of them. Just add... criteria. Okay, name... RNG, dummy... RNG, I guess. Scoreboard, objectives, set display, sidebar. I should have just typed it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Scoreboard. Whoa. Players. Add. Can I just have RNG1? Can I just add arbitrary names? Hey, I can! I can just have arbitrary names on the side. Ah, it's been so long I forgot. Okay, so I don't even need entities for that, like I thought I might have needed. So that's good. Players. Reset. RNG1. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
So let me set up 8 command blocks for testing purposes. I'm gonna get rid of this thing. Oh, maybe I should have taken its command first. Whatever. Okay. So, what was scoreboard players add RNG, RNG1? Okay. So that should just go up, right? Yeah, okay. Wait, did I not set these? Maybe I'm stupid. I think I'm stupid. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Where's the execute command I had earlier? Yeah, okay. I'm going to take that. Wait. RNG3. Oh, and wool 2, yeah. Okay. Let's figure this out. So wool 0 makes RNG 1 go up by 1. Right? That's going to detect that at some point, right? Yeah, whatever. Wool 1 makes RNG 2 go up. Wool 2 makes RNG 3 go up because I'm stupid at naming and probably should have had all of them start at 0, but whatever. I'm good at this. I swear to you. Wait, did I mess up? Oh, this is the broken execute command, isn't it? Of course it's the broken command. I've been copying and pasting it without even making sure it works. Stupid. Stupid.
That is certainly a good thing to be aware of before copying a command.
Yeah. You know what? This gives me a chance to have them all start at 0. Come on. RNG 0. RNG 1 with wool 1. RNG 2 with wool 2. To think I eventually want to actually do programming and I can't even do this right.
This would drive me nuts.
I can imagine. And you're really good at this. Well,
Yes.
not this, but programming.
Yes.
It's like, geez. You know, that's actually one of those funny things I don't know if I've discussed with you, which is the idea if you're somehow not one second, let me at a RNG, I think. Just reset RNG maybe? No. Reset, wait. No. How does this work? Can I not reset arbitrary names like that? What would that be considered? That's not an entity. I don't know. I don't want to just reset all players. So what do I do?
Can you subtract from them? Does that help anything?
I want to reset all of these arbitrary numbers all at the same time, and I don't actually know how. I guess I'll just quickly do them all, like one at a time. Because I just want to make sure this RNG isn't biased first before I actually go to use it.
Right.
I don't care about a little bit of bias. Oh, you know what? I could reset them while having this not moving. That could work. So let me grab the summon command. I broke it.
Well, don't do that.
Grab that. That's why I saved them in other files. Actually, let me grab this one while I'm at it, just to save it. Oops. Okay, cool. Ah, that's where I want it. Okay, now I can reset them all. But no, yeah, I don't think I've ever discussed with you the idea that if there are, like, I generally consider you a really good programmer, but if you're not even, like, near the top of your class, I can't imagine how much better other people are by comparison, just because, like, you're very satisfyingly enough for my needs. Like, I could have two of you and I would never need another programmer, it feels like. Interesting. 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 I was trying to figure out how extreme the bias might be. It's hard to say, really. I think there might not be too much. Well, I'd have to let this sit for a while.
Yeah, because, like, if there is no bias, then they should eventually round out roughly like each other. They don't have to be like exact numbers, but just over time, you should not see increasing gaps.
I think... See, it's hard to say because the top one right now is 180. The one before, like, but the lowest one is 140. But, okay, between saying that, now we're up...
Is that significant?
Yeah, and some of them are shifting around in place, and, like, the thing is, while the range... Well, now it's 220 to 180, so, it's not too significant. It keeps going up on both ends. But, like, while it's 220, there's 210, 200, 190, 180, and then 170. So it's like... It's very much... I guess the question is, will the lowest one ever overtake the top one? Though now the top one just got overtaken by the second highest, so those ones are equal enough, and now they're back, so... I can't tell if this is getting more significant or less. I also can't tell why it would be. Like, I think the idea is that this... So the thing I'm using is randomly spreading a armor stand around between some blocks. But the thing is, I think it's a circular range. So I think the amount that it's going onto the corner blocks aren't as good as the cross-section blocks. Like, there's less of a chance of it being placed there. Now, where that brings up the question... See, I actually already increased the range from 1 block radius to 1.5. I think I played around with this a little bit last night, and that's what I realized had to happen to help it around. If I go any higher than this, it would start appearing on blocks outside of this limit. So
yeah, you don't want that.
Yeah, I'm just seeing if 1.5 is enough to make this not too random compared to my last test of it. Even then, I don't think I would mind if it's a little biased. Mostly because, like, if it's a little biased, then I would just keep in mind to put those values on things I might not want as often. Like, things that would be nicer to be rarer. So...
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think I've actually utilized this method for other things.
Yeah, it's kind of a workaround, but it puts the limitations of the game to work for you, so...
Also, I think I need to add more tags to this armor stand. Notably, I think I need to make it indestructible. and make sure it never despawns. There's some odd tags in that regard.
Oh.
So currently we're up to the top being 580 and the bottom being 510. So... Oh, wow. Wait a second. But what was earlier the bottom one is now the fourth lowest. Or the top one, I should say. So they got overtaken. Okay. I think this... Yeah, and I think the bottom one has moved up a slot, so... They actually might switch locations. That means no specific one is biased too much, I don't think. Interesting. Yeah, if this works, I'll take it. Now I just need to make sure... Now I just need to make sure I can actually incorporate this into my randomizer, as I think I can. Interestingly enough, I will be calling upon the numbers instead of... Yeah. So this is the part I need to replace. Actually, what's this thing? Okay, so this I think was deleting the stuff here, and this... Okay, one second. Let me place some redstone torches. Ooh, lag. Yeah, okay. So this one needs to stay. This one, I believe, was just for this. Oh, crud! What the heck?
Uh-oh.
It teleported me. I guess I activated something somehow. Oh, it's lagging. It's lagging like crazy.
Did you generate a dungeon?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I see it right there, empty. Well, my randomizer's still going. Okay. Yeah, okay, so... Somebody... Okay, Dan just told me he'll be home soon enough. Okay, so I just need to keep this block. And I can keep that. I could probably put that somewhere else. But I don't need any of these anymore. Okay. Can I put this somewhere else? I just need that to empty out all the torches. So I could put that above. Like... well... Or maybe I could put that before? Clear the torches out here? Oh wait, that maybe I should not just put that somewhere where I could delete a random chunk of blocks. Let me put that over here. Okay, I just, you know. So what if I call upon the randomizer like this? Will this work? Sorry, I'm really just trying to think this through.
I'll just say, I understand.
So, like, if I do it like this... Oh. Ah! Sorry. But that'll execute relative to the armor stand, won't it? How do I get around that? Okay, I gotta go back up to the armor stand. Well, we're up to the thousands, and the number is still only like 60 off.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's probably fair.
And also, the previous top number is now only one above the previous lowest number. So...
Okay, yeah. You have a reasonably fair random there.
Yeah, I'm happy enough with that. Now the question... Okay, I need a special execute command, so let me grab this thingy. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Set block, Minecraft, wool. Oh, you know what? I think I might want this to be on repeat. The heck? Okay, I see. So it does go... Oh, that's... So that's going to be a little annoying. That would mean that it would take a little bit of weird work. It's possible, though. Okay. So I think the upside to this is this can work, and it can be just as compact as it was originally. Though I don't think this is compact enough to be able to rebuild Rapid Castle Guard, sadly enough. I'd still have to do a lot of work to figure that one out. I actually think I would actually have to build a single randomizer that works with conditional locations. Which at that point, I might actually rebuild this one. Or actually, you know what? I think my plan is, if I get this map functional, I'll try to get Rapid Castle Guard functional. And if I can get that one functional, I may make a completely new map with all of my new knowledge. Just one final map, because at that point I could make a multi-floor dungeon generator. Maybe. Possibly. Probably.
Probably.
Actually, really likely. See, if I can surpass this idea where I need a whole bunch of generators and can knock it down to a single generator that just executes relative to a teleporting entity, I could just do this whole thing real easy without all this stupidity. Okay. So currently, like, I don't even need this, but I think I might keep it just for convenience sake, maybe? Yeah, no, maybe. Where does it even... Oh my gosh. Where does it even place these? Over here? Wow. Oof. Oof! This is certainly a thing. Why do I have 3 layers? I don't actually remember. Oh, there's 12 different... Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, interesting. Sorry, I'm just thinking about how I built this. Because, okay, so each direction has 4 inputs. And then also 8 outputs. But there's 12 different rooms.
That sounds complicated.
Yeah, it's a weird little setup, but it's like... While there's 12 different rooms, each of the input directions can only output 8 of the directions. So, yeah. It's weird. It's hard to explain. It's really hard to explain. But it's certainly something. It is certainly something. Now the question... The real question here... see, that's the only thing that I don't like about having to do it this way, is I can't think of a good relative coordinate setup. Unless... Unless I wanted to have 27 armor stands. I'm trying to think which would take more work. Because hard-coding the coordinates for this weird setup right now, I'm just debating how much work I want to do is all. Because that would be a lot of coordinates. Then again, it's not too bad, because then I just do TP tab. Oh, it doesn't work that way. Set block. Block, tab, tab, tab. Minecraft. Air. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Sorry. Oh, I'm falling. Yeah. Now, I just need to figure out, relatively speaking, which blocks I'm set blocking to. Okay, that's probably the hardest part. See, the lazy way would just be to do it like that, but I can get rid of a whole selection of command blocks if I do it the new way. Conceptually, funny enough, the new system might actually be technically more compact than the old system. Because the randomization is happening elsewhere now. I'm actually debating how I might be able to fit this into Rapid Castle Guard. Though I think I would actually prefer relearning that. Okay, so I don't need any of this garbage. I just need the command blocks above, and I just need to figure out which coordinates they point to. Okay. TP doot 27. So that one goes there. Okay, yeah, let's figure this out really quick. 29, 27, 27, 27. Okay. I see. Do you see what I see? Sorry.
Oh dear.
Those kinds of voices are not acceptable. Not acceptable. Not acceptable.
Your voices are fighting with each other. How do you feel?
Not good about myself. Okay. This could work! Oh my gosh!
Hey, I know that feeling.
Ah! And it gets rid of so much of the randomizer. That's actually surprising that this might be smaller. Though I probably... Now the only... Okay, here's the only weirdness. And I actually think I can fix this a little bit by customizing each command block slightly. Let's say 2 parts of the dungeon are being generated at the same time. Like, the exact same time. Like, the current randomizer I just built updates 20 times a second, which means with all this redstone pretty much being at the same pace, I think it is entirely possible for this system to have 2 at the exact same time. If they do it at the exact same time, that would mean they would generate the exact same value. Which I could just make more randomizers real quick and have them point to different numbers. Or I could just offset which value means which. So it's a weird, certainly a weird setup. The heck? Oh, for a moment there, I thought I had really messed up my randomizer, and then I realized I had put a block over one of the wool. So it was never touching one type of wool, but it was touching another type of wool like twice as often. And I was wondering why the bias got all messed up. We're fine. It's okay. The other weirdness of this randomizer is to build it, you need to have clear view of the sky. These don't do anything, right? Yeah, so... That should work! Ah! Sorry. Actually, didn't I have a set block command for that earlier? There it is. Yeah. Okay. If I could find a way to make this relative coordinates, though, that's going to save me a lot of time in the long run. So I'm still trying to brainstorm that real quick. Yeah, I got nothing. I wish there was a way to, like, specify what it's relative to. Because, yeah, the relative coordinates system... Yeah, I think it's relative to the specific thing that's executing it. So if a command block is executing it, it's relative to that command block. If the player is executing it, it's relative to that player. Now the problem is...
That sounds like it makes sense.
Yeah, the problem is by doing the /execute command, that one is doing it as if it's executing from the thing. So pretty much what I'm doing is /execute at armor stand detect wool type. So by executing the command to utilize the detect command, I also can't... Yeah. It's a little weird. Now, huh. No, I can't do it that way. Maybe? Well, that would be... That could work. That would be very horizontal, but I might try it. Yeah, let's give that a try. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe. I mean, this is a little silly, but do. Wait, what's this? Second, Dan was messaging me. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so these each... Okay. If I activate that, yeah, okay. Okay. This might work. Yeah. This is another type of setup I can do. This one is tileable. Okay. Yeah, this one's tileable. It's a little larger, but then I only have to do it like once. Yeah, okay. I need to fly upwards. TP... toilet paper, 200 blocks. Oh, wait. Wait, what am I doing? Oh. Wait, what am I testing? Okay, wait, I think there's a test. Scoreboard. Objectives. Oh, wait, no, it's players. Scoreboard, players. Test. Okay, interesting. Okay, I need to make a new player real quick. Scoreboard, players, add, or set, RNG, RNG1. Okay, that's a weird thing, but that should work. So I gotta switch all of these to okay, yeah. Oh, well, I'm getting a message, sorry. I think. No? Weird. Yeah, okay. Players. Test. Whoa. No, caps lock, please. Yeah, okay, RNG.
No.
RNG. Is it 1 and 1? But if it's 0 and 0. But if it's 2 and 2. Perfect.
I probably need to restart my computer at some point. I'm getting to the point where just basic dragging and dropping files is slowing things down.
Oof. Oof! That sounds rough, buddy. 0, 0. Okay, let's... 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. So that means if I power this... Oh! I forgot that's a thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm safe to do this. Minecraft has some weird, like, signal strength related stuff, so I have to... Yeah, there we go. Do this. If I... This won't... Yeah, okay, that's just stuck like that. Wait, what? Is this redstone powered? Or is it just... Oh, it's just lit up. Okay. Set RNG to 2, and let's switch this, and... Wait, did it just spawn 2 blocks, or did that just not update? Okay, let's set RNG to 1. Okay. Let's set RNG to 3. Go to this. Yes! Cool. Okay, this is scalable. This means I only have one thing to clone. Let's just make sure RNG of 2. This isn't gonna like freak out, is it? No, that's good. Okay, so I just need to find the relative coordinates for this area. Oh, also I need to rework the RNG thing so it actually works how I need it to. Zoom. I'm not going to stream this much longer because Tor wants to stream, but yeah, I'll definitely have a part 2 of this. Okay, so set RNG, RNG1. Actually, I need that to be RNG0. Cool. RNG1, 1, RNG2, 2, RNG3, 3, RNG4, 4, RNG5, 5, RNG6, 6, RNG7, 7. I think I... Wait, did I not? I didn't replace... Okay, I think I broke everything. I didn't mess up on this, did I? Ah, crud. Layering it over each other. I am a fool!
I should be contesting that, but I'm not.
I forgot to actually delete the other stuff before pasting in, because I couldn't see what I was doing. Because command blocks, you know what? I should look into a mod. I think there are mods to make command blocks more readable. Yeah, I might actually look into that.
If it doesn't change their function, then it sure won't hurt anything.
Yeah, I think all it does is make the box actually a box. Just make sure I'm replacing all of these because I made mistakes. Yeah, now that's a random number. I need to reset all of those RNG numbers from earlier because I don't need them anymore. They're just cluttering things up. Oh, that's all of them. Yeah, look at that go. Oh my gosh. Flashing numbers left and right. I think this RNG thing is scalable too. So this should... Yep. This looks like it works. Heck yes. Perfect. So I need to build this 2 more times, I guess, and actually set the coordinates and the block types right, and then I can actually clone all of these into their proper places, and then I just have to fix the one down here next, which will be interesting. I'm trying to think how that actually works now. That might actually be a lot of command blocks. See, the problem is I still need to use a decent number of blocks to replace a small number of blocks. Sorry, I'm debating what I have. I might actually try to see if I can do something else with this. Hard to say. But hey, this works, so I'm happy. Well, it will work, I should say. It's not really functional just yet. So I'm just thinking. Oh, crud, that's gonna be weird. Doesn't matter? That's the question. I don't think so. I don't think it matters which one of these activates which one of those. I hope not, or else this is gonna get weird. It's gonna get real weird. Okay, so finding the relative coordinates for the first time is going to be a little weird, though. So let me begin the process of... Okay, so 1, 2, 3... I think... How many blocks up is this? I guess I'll find the relative blocks based on difference from this. So this is 27, so 28, 29... So 27... That was 27 up. 28, 29... 30, 31. So I need 31. Whoa. Okay, and these were 29, so that's 2 more, so that's 33. Okay, let me just type these in. Hope these are right, or else I'm gonna have to fix some stuff. That's a little unfortunate, but just how it be. So these two, I guess, are right. Or no, not that one. Ah, this is weird. Ah! Gold, I'm dying.
I don't know if I can help.
Gold, I'm dying. Change your answer.
Let's put it this way. If I was going to help, would it be to prevent it or help cause it?
Break my bones.
I can't do that.
I mean, you probably could, but you're not here right now to do it, so meh.
Yeah, that's sort of the thing. I'm a little bit far away.
Dang. So this is positive x, or no, that's positive z. Yeah, that's positive z. Which way is this? That's negative x. Okay, so... so negative 1 on the z for this one. Negative 1 on both for this one. And then negative... Okay, so for this one it's 1, 2, 3, negative 3, negative 2. I'm gonna get this wrong, aren't I? Maybe I should make them more flashy blocks so I can see what they are. So I'll make them like wool 1. Whoa, whoa, that's capital locks. Wool 1. Wool 1. Wool 1. I wish I had programming find and replace commands. The little bit of stuff I've done, find and replace has been super helpful.
Yeah, depending on what you're working on, it can be like very easy to change like a variable name or something, and it just updates all of the spots where it is for you.
Yeah. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's that. So this one was just. Positive 1, I guess. And this one was just above it, and the other two, positive 1, negative 2. Positive, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, negative 2. Okay, so this should work. Right? I mean, that or it'll delete an actual command block, and I'm going to have to go to another version of this map to get it. That's the worst part. you can create code that just deletes other code. That is by far the worst part.
Generally, code that builds other code is what you strive for.
Yeah. So did that one work? Actually, I probably should just activate these command blocks one at a time to see if they work. Instead of just using the randomizer to hope. Okay, let's place one. Let's see where it spawned. That is in the correct location. Time for number 2. I wish there was an easier way to fly vertically. That is in the correct location. I'm so glad I got this right. Let's hope all of them are right on the first try. That's 3. Shoop. That's 4. Oops. That's 5. That's 6. Uh-oh. Well, the question is, where did it spawn it? I don't see it. Okay then. 7's broken. Oh wait, no, 7's not broken, it's just already powered. Because the randomizer. Okay, so let me just break and place that, and it should do its thing. Okay, no, 7's fine, right? Yeah, all of them on the first try. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, so I just need to change their things to redstone blocks. Block, Minecraft. Whoa, dang it. Oh wait, I need... Okay. There we go. There we go. I really hope all I have to do with these randomizers is copy and paste them like I think I do. But to be completely honest, it's been 4 years and I don't actually know. There might be some data that I have changed in here, but yeah, I wouldn't know.
If all you have to do is copy and paste them, and then it just works, then you know that whatever you were doing years ago was pretty darn solid, in spite of all of the trickiness that goes with these command blocks to begin with.
Yeah. Let's grab this. I'm just moving a bit of stuff real quick, preempting the eventual copying and pasting that'll happen. So wait, what's that? Oh, that's what that block is. That block is the backup of that block. Gotcha.
Also seeing these towering structures that you're editing pieces of. You can probably understand how I end up with tens of thousands of lines of code, but I still have a general idea of how to find the specific parts I need.
Yeah. I love the fact that these things look so cool.
Yeah, that's kind of really nice that it turned out that way.
Man, the fact that I could condense this smaller, like seeing all the empty space between these things now, so I don't need these anymore. Yeah, I could make this real short now. This top bit that's like the biggest problem though. I don't actually know. Okay, I see. These are the cloning blocks. So these are the blocks that get replaced. Okay. So what clones it? Or wait. I don't actually know, to be honest. Is it this one? No. Huh. Gonna have to figure that out. These are just the stuff that resets it. What does it? It's not over here, no. Huh. I feel like I've forgotten part of this system. Okay, so it sets a block. So that just fixes a repeater. That just another repeater. That's the clone command. It's a set block command, set block command. That sets air. I don't know where it places these. Also, my brother just got home, so this is pretty much the end of the stream for this stream, but I will be streaming in a couple minutes. Yo, bro. That's fine. In a moment, I'll tell them. Yeah, stuff. But, yeah, with my brother being home, I'm going to end this stream. I'll work on this later, and then I'm gonna be streaming in a couple minutes. But, yeah, be back in a bit, I guess. Let me just, like, official end and everything. Oh my gosh, credits music. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish this. Woo! Woo!
Oh dear.